these are all the ingredients and equipment we need. Maybe I'm not gonna use all of it, but if you don't have this silicone, you can use just baking paper, sieve for the flour, very important. This is the type we are using. 600 sugar, 600 flour, 30 eggs. Make sure there's no eggshells inside. If you can see any, take it out. And later on, cocoa powder. Sugar. This is only egg and sugar, nothing else. As you can see, it's still yellow. We are looking for white, almost whitish color. It should take about 10-15 minutes. Always keep checking it every 10 minutes. Just time to time, go to the bottom, because this is not reaching completely down to the very bottom. So making sure nothing is at the bottom. So it mixes everything properly. Yeah, now it's ready. There's two signs that it's ready. It's starting to come up. As you can see the comparison. So it's not completely white. This is white, but it's not orange either. So it's more whitish than orange. Now that it's done, I removed it from the machine, and this part is very, very important. I cannot add this flour directly because it will ruin the whole thing. I must put it through a sieve, and this is 600 grams, so it's like every 200 grams. Put it through and mix it. And mixing cannot be too much as well. You need to go around maximum 20 times each time. You cannot do more. If you do more, it's still going to be okay, but it will come out a bit funny from the oven. So just go around maximum between 10 and 20 times until everything is mixed. And here as well, you need to go to the bottom, scrap the bottom, make sure that there's nothing nothing sticks to the bottom. It's everything properly mixed. All the flour is in, so now everything is done. I can pour it into these ones, and these ones doesn't matter what you have. It can be square, it can be big, it can be wide. Only thing you remember is I'm gonna fill it halfway because it will expand in the oven. So if you fill it up here, it will come out. It won't bake properly. Yeah, through this sieve I added 50 grams of cocoa powder. I just need to mix it. So what I do is half of it I poured already into these ones without cocoa powder, and now I put the rest of it into these shapes with cocoa powder. You can do whatever you want. You can mix cocoa powder, all of it, or just half of it, or a quarter of it, whichever you want. So, but with cocoa powder, it's obviously it will taste different, and with cocoa powder it's a little bit stronger than without it, so it will be firm. If it comes out because of the metal, it's okay. This is perfectly fine. Nothing to worry about. Before we put into the oven must be preheated. This function is the rational oven, 160, 20 minutes. Time is over. Two things you need to do to check that it's ready. One is when you press it down, it comes back. and this is the other one, and it comes back clean. So when it's not ready, you will see chocolate all over here. It came out a bit, but don't worry about it. This is all right. All done. This took 6 minutes longer than all the other ones because it's bigger, so the bigger the longer it's going to take. Just keep checking it. And everything is done. I took it out from the oven and just keep it here to cool down. Once it cools down, you can remove the metal rings by going around with a sharp knife or with a butter knife. And be slow and gentle not to ruin it. That's it, that's all done.